Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to talk about the life cycle of a frog. In this presentation, I'll cover three main parts. 1. Identify and describe the main stages of a frog's life. 2. Explain how frogs grow and change. 3. Some interesting facts about frog. Alright, let's get started. Frogs are fascinating amphibians that live in water and on land. They have strong legs for jumping, smooth skin, and a unique life cycle from eggs to tadpoles to adult frogs. Frogs help control insects and some are even poisonous to protect themselves. Let's explore more fun facts about frogs. Now, let's talk about their life cycle. Frogs go through a process called metamorphosis. This means they change their body completely during their life. There are 4 main stages. 1. Egg. The frog starts as a tiny egg, usually laid in water. 2. Tadpole. When the egg hatches, a tadpole comes out. It lives in water, has gills, and a tail to swim. 3. Froglet. The tadpole grows legs, develops lungs, and its tail starts to shrink. 4. Adult frog. The froglet becomes a full-grown frog, living on land and in water, ready to lay eggs and continue the cycle. Now let's take a closer look at how a frog grows from an egg into an adult. So first, we start with the frog egg. Frog eggs are small and round, covered in a jelly-like substance for protection. They are laid in water, often on plants or in calm areas of ponds. The eggs can be clear, white, yellow, or green in color, and they usually hatch into tadpoles within 6 to 21 days. Tadpoles live fully in water and breathe through gills. They have a long tail for swimming and no legs at first. Their diet mainly consists of algae and plant matter as they grow. Froglets can live both in water and on land as they transition from tadpoles. They have developed legs, with the hind legs appearing first, followed by the front legs, and their lungs allow them to breathe air. Their tail gradually shrinks but may still be partially visible. Unlike tadpoles, froglets start eating insects and other small animals in addition to plants. Adult frogs have fully lost their tail and can live both on land and in water. They have strong legs for jumping and smooth skin. Frogs help control insect populations, and some species are even poisonous to protect themselves from predators. At this stage, they are ready to reproduce and continue the life cycle. Frogs go through 4 important stages in their life cycle: egg, tadpole, froglet, and adult frog. At each stage, frogs experience unique changes that help them grow and adapt to their surroundings. Now, let's explore some interesting facts about frogs. How do frogs drink water? They drink through their skin. They don't actually swallow water like humans do. Instead, they absorb it through a special patch of skin on their belly called a drinking patch. One fascinating fact about a frog's tongue. Frogs have long, sticky tongues that allow them to catch insects quickly. They can breathe through their lungs, through their skin, and some can even use the lining of their mouth to absorb oxygen. Frogs have lungs like humans and use them to breathe air. Frogs can absorb oxygen directly through their moist skin, especially when underwater. Some frogs can also take in oxygen through the lining of their mouth. Frog eyes help them swallow food. It sounds very strange, doesn't it? But it's true. Some frogs pull their eyes down into the roof of their mouth when eating, to help push the food down their throat. Some frogs can leap up to 20 times their body length in a single jump. And frogs have unique sounds and calls that help them attract mates. Some frogs have very bright and beautiful colors, but they are highly poisonous. Strawberry poison frog. This tiny frog is bright red and uses its color to warn predators that it is poisonous. It secretes toxins through its skin to stay safe. Blue poison dart frog. Known for its striking blue color, this frog's skin contains potent toxins that can deter predators. It lives mainly in tropical rainforests. Golden poison frog. One of the most poisonous frogs in the world, it has a vibrant golden yellow color and its skin toxins can be deadly. Phantasmal poison frog. This frog has a mix of colors, often red or orange, and produces toxins to protect itself from predators. Black-legged poison dart frog. It has a combination of bright body colors with black legs, and its skin secretes powerful toxins. Lovely poison frog. Small and colorful, this frog uses its bright patterns to warn predators that it is toxic. Green and black poison frog. With a striking green and black pattern, this frog's skin produces toxins that make it dangerous to touch or eat. Wood frogs are amazing because they can survive being completely frozen in winter. Their liver releases glucose, which acts like antifreeze, and microRNA protects their cells from damage. When spring comes, they simply thaw and go back to their normal life. Interestingly, some other frogs, insects, and even turtle hatchlings have similar freezing abilities. In conclusion, frogs are fascinating animals with unique life cycles and amazing abilities. Do you have any questions or comments? Please let us know. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.